Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create pattern design in Figma using pen tool and rectangle, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw reference square 400 by 400 dimensions using rectangle. Use stroke and remove fill. Draw three-sided figure with 3 vertices, corners, and 3 internal angles that always sum to 180 degrees. Using pen tool. Use fill and remove stroke. Use 600 by 600 dimensions ellipse to subtract top portion as shown in the scene. Apply color and select object, click on Radial, repeat. Change properties to count equals 8 and gap equals 1.6. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.